Hey guys, so the vlog is rendering. That'll be up obviously by the time you've watched this, so you can click at the end of this video to go and watch this one. We kind of chilled out, but still, nevertheless, go and watch it. It's good. Me and Lorna were watching. OMG Facts, and they said you can put a crisp packet or a potato chip packet, wherever you're from, in the microwave, and it will shrink but stay the exact same proportion. But I don't know, this just sounds pure cool, but it said don't try it at home, but obviously we're going to try it, so we've got it here.
Ready?
Right.
Right, stand back and sit.
I know. I don't really know what will happen if...
They'll probably just make on fire.
Whoa! That's... Whoa! That's not good. Fuck shit. That never happened in OMG Facts.
Okay, that didn't work.
Nah, it smells like burning. Shit. Do you think that's what happens though? It's totally, look at that, that's only in half a second and it's totally fried. Fuck's sake.
Oh, it's stinking. Oh, I haven't broke my microwave.
Look at that. Ripped and everything, that was only in like 2 seconds. Wow. Maybe it only works for American crisp packets. That's mad, what?
Oh, it's stinking. Yeah. So I'm home here, and me and Tyler are building a train track. Aren't we? I'm going to spend the rest of the night trying to build this and hang out with Tyler. Also, you can subscribe above, check out the link to the Android channel, and you can check out yesterday's video. What you doing? So I'd appreciate if you do that, it'd be great. Wouldn't it? So yeah.
No.
Oh, shut up.
Yeah.
Do something funny. Be cute.
Let me see.
Do you want to say hi?
I am Mr. Smelly Pants. And I never would be bad. See the end of the good day.
Shout hi, Lorna.
Hi, Lola!
Anyway, yeah, so check that stuff out at the end of this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Shit. Bye guys!
Bye, guys!
Not bye guys!
Bye, guys!
Right, so since yesterday, didn't really get around there to pulling this, we're going to pull it right now. Oh, I need to watch because my wrist is kind of broken. Right, I'll do it with my back hand again.